I used to think that when bad things happen, that it was just random chaos. That bad things happen because you bring them on yourself.
Headstone on the grave. All my life.
They found a body. Let me take it as a field reporter.
It could be nothing.
I think we both know it's not nothing.
And I don't want the world to know.
Woman's died. But right now, we can't give you any more than that. That's all we got. Thank you.
Detective Harper, is it true you knew her?
Jeez, what was with that reporter?
It's my wife.
So, you got any suspects?
Stop.
Persons of interest?
Hey, Anna, how you doing? You doing good?
Yeah, good, Jack.
Good, good. It's really great to see you.
The killer usually knows their victim.
You stabbed 40 times? That's premeditated. It's personal.
One of us might know who the killer is. The killer could be in this very room.
I didn't hurt her, Anna. Do you know who did it?
I didn't do it, if that's what you're asking. There are two sides to every story. Ours and theirs. Yours
You really think that I could do something like that? You really think it?
and mine. His and hers. Which means someone is always lying.
Don't put no